second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
So welcome back to another video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV. And that's on what? Period poo. So on my channel, I make videos on my locks, health, travel vlogs, unboxing, fashion hauls, try-ons. So if you're interested in watching any of those videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. That way you know about my upcoming videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys seven. I think I said seven. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 8 ways to use the Never Full pouch. So here is the pouch that comes inside the Never Full. I have the GM size, but the pouches are the same size. I believe in the GM and the MM. I believe they're the same size. I'm not for sure. Let me know down below if they are not. I cannot remember at this moment. But they only come in the newer bags. I know in the bags that originally came out from Louis Vuitton, they did not have the pouches. This was a new thing. And of course, the price went up because an additional item comes in the bag. But yeah, one of the dimensions of this item, I'll post it right here for you guys to see. Or you can also go onto the Louis Vuitton website and see for yourself. What inspired me to make a video on this is the fact that I noticed that a lot of people, from watching reviews before purchasing my own Never Full, I noticed that a lot of people will buy the Never Full and give this away. They will give it away. Can you believe that? I don't understand why you would ever give away, not give away, but like sell. They would sell it to somebody else because they don't have a use for it. So I'm here to show you guys ways to use your pouch. Do not feel like you have to sell it. Do not feel like it's useless, because there's a lot of different ways to use this by itself or with the Never Full. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing that, continue watching. So yes, the pouch comes with a detachable strap, as you can see. You can detach it if you would like. And there is one pocket in the interior. There's the pocket. And there's an open space. So the first way I would wear or recommend using this pouch is as a snack pouch. So for me, I am a snack queen. I love having snacks on me, and if you're someone who has kids, that could be very appropriate for your lifestyle. So just to show you guys what can fit in here, I have an example of putting a banana. Now I wouldn't recommend you putting a full-size banana in here because it could get smushed and it can ruin your interior. But just to show you why, just to show you video-wise, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how the banana fits in here. A full-size banana. The zip, yes it does, it zips. So a full-size banana can fit in here. You might need a straw for something, for an occasion. Will that fit? Yeah, the straw fits just fine. It bends a little bit, but not to the point where it doesn't actually bend. The straw can fit in there just fine. Doesn't bend at all. And then I have some jelly packets. Put that in there. And then I have a spork. Put that in there. And that's about it. That's all I have right now to represent snacks. So it closes just fine. And imagine if you had, like, you know, a little pretzel sack, or if you had, not sack, a little pretzel bag, or like nuts bag. You know, the little bags you can get from the grocery stores or gas stations, those can easily fit in here. So you can use it as a snack pouch if you needed to. If you're someone that needs to make sure you have snacks on you for your kids or for yourself, maybe you're in college, maybe you're on a shift, a work shift that you're constantly moving around, you know, really don't really have time to get a full lunch sometimes, but you can carry your snacks in your Never Full pouch. Second way to use this, which is what I've seen, it's very common. I've seen videos of people talking about using their Never Full pouch in this way, and that is using it to hold their receipts. So if you have receipts, here's the receipts folded. If you want to unfold it and lay them in there flat, you can also do that. This is how it looks when you lay it in flat. You lay them all in there flat if you would like. This one's actually super long, so I would fold it in half and stick it in there. It can hold your receipts. If you have business cards or gift cards, shopping cards, reward cards. I don't have those on me, but all of those could be fit in here. All of those can fit in here. So yeah, you can, the second way to use this pouch is as a receipt pouch with business cards, shopping cards, reward cards, couponing, all that good stuff. It can fit in here. Third way to use this pouch is as a makeup pouch. If you see me looking over here, I'm looking at my iPad. I'm looking at the video so I can really see what's going on. But yeah, a makeup pouch. So some essentials. Now, not your full face. I personally wouldn't need to put a full face of makeup in here, but like maybe like touch-ups, I would say it's very necessary to have in your full pouch. So the first thing we're gonna put in here is a foundation brush. So in just in case you are traveling or you are that girl that wants to have full size, it can also fit. So this is a Fenty Beauty foundation brush. We're gonna put that in there. That fits nicely. There's extra room actually. This fits so good. There's extra room left in there. It has a cover also, so that way it doesn't what's the word? Mark up the inside. It doesn't mark up the inside of my bag. Put that in there. We have a liner. This could be an eyebrow line, a lip liner, an eyeliner. This could be used for your eyebrows. The pencils fit, honey, they fit. We have lip gloss, NYX lip gloss. This is in cinnamon roll. This liner, I don't even know what color it is, but it really doesn't matter. Just know that the pencils fit. You can fit your compacts. So we have Fenty Beauty highlighter that fits. We have Danessa Myricks Beauty Dew Wet Balm. Shout out to Arnell, she put me on this. We have a who is this? This is Airbrush Flawless Finish by, what's the name? I forgot. It's on here. Charlotte Tilbury. We have that. You can see those. We still have plenty of room left in there, you guys. You see that? Let's see. Not only, I want to call this not only makeup, but like beauty content, so anything beauty wise. So I would say hair ties. Hair ties are essential for me. So I need the thick ones for my locks, y'all. I need the thick ones because the other sides, the skinny ones, they will bust and pop. Let's see, that whole thing fits inside of there, as you can see. I would also put sponges in there. I probably don't need that many, but that whole thing fits in there. I have the assortment sponges. You could put 1 or 2 beauty blenders in there if you want to. And we have some Dr. Dennis Gross extra strength daily pills. So we have some pills in there. And these also could be makeup wipes, like makeup removers if you wanted to slide that inside here as well to take makeup off. So we have beauty content. So this could be a makeup pouch, beauty content, beauty necessities that you would need. And does it zip up? Yep. It kind of bulges, but you can maneuver in there a little bit better than I did to make it fit better. But just to show you guys how big this pouch is, you can use it for that. The fourth way you can use this pouch is if you are someone who has to take medication. If you're traveling, you need to take medication, or if you have daily pills that you need to take, I would also recommend using this pouch as a medication pouch. Not necessarily for me, I don't really take a lot of medication, but I have the option to take vitamins whenever I need to or want to. There's women vitamins, there's biotin for, you know, skin health, hair health, nail health. There's all kind of extra things that we can take daily to make our bodies healthier. But personally for me, I only take at the moment, because I travel so much, I'm constantly losing things, but right now I'm able to hold on to my vitamin D pills and my iron pills. At the moment, I have these 2 big bottles. So I could put them in the little small containers, you know, if I really wanted to, but I don't necessarily travel with these every day. I just keep them in my room or in the kitchen, but these bottles can fit in here, I believe. Let's see if they'll fit. I lay them down. I have one standing up. Let's see if I lay them both down. Okay, so I have one laying down and one standing up. For me personally, I only have those two in there, and it's a zip. It zips, so that works as well for me. There is a little bit of bulging. It's not zipping all the way up. I forced it closed. Would I recommend you doing that? No, I would not, but for the sake of the video, I just want to show you guys, just so you know you can use that as your medicine pouch. The next way to use this pouch is as your feminine pouch. For my ladies out there who might, you know, not know when that time of the month is happening, you'll be prepared by having this pouch as your hygiene pouch. I feel like there should always be a hygiene pouch in your purse. If it's not gonna be in your neverfull pouch, you should always have one for just in case, because sometimes accidents do happen. And I need to charge my camera, so I'll be right back. All right, like I was saying, for my ladies, it's good to use this pouch as a hygiene bag. And these are the items that I would recommend using for your hygiene bag. So, tampons. We definitely make sure that you have your tampons. Tampons fit inside here. We can fit a couple of them. Let's put about 3 more. So that's a total of 4 tampons in there at the bottom of the bag. And then for the ladies who don't want to wear tampons, you have pads. You have the thick and the thinner ones, panty liners, pads. That fits in there nicely. You might have to maneuver a little bit to make it fit better, depending on how many you want. All right. And then we have wipes as well. You can also put baby wipes in here if you need that to feel, you know, more clean when you're changing out yourself. And then I always want to try to make sure you carry deodorant with you, because sometimes you forget to put that on when you leave the house. That's nice to have on hand. That's a mini deodorant. And then I have it's in a box because I keep a lot of my items in boxes. Just, I don't know, something that I do. But I have perfume just to, you know, freshen up yourself, to give yourself a nice scent. This is the Prada Candy. My auntie gave me this for Christmas. Thank you, auntie. Shout out to you. Put that in there. And then, let's see. It probably would fit better if I didn't have as many pads or tampons in there. So take a few of them out. Or if you feel like you don't need to carry a small deodorant, you don't have to. So take a few of those out. All right, so that fits better. And then I would recommend having a Ziploc bag with maybe 2 pairs of panties in there, because you never know, sometimes accidents happen. So if you ever need to change out underwear, you can put it back in here if you don't want to throw it away. If you just want to clean it when you get home, put it in the washing machine, in the dryer, and that way you have another pair on deck waiting for you in case an accident does happen. So yeah, that is the hygiene bag. So we're gonna close it up. And there we go. Like I said, it might bulge a little bit. Just gotta maneuver it better or put less items in there. That's how that looks. Not the cutest, but it closes and it's gonna get the job done. And if you are a girl who, you know, you might need other things. You might need other things. You can stick it in there too, because you never know. Sometimes you never know. You never know when an opportunity might occur. So keep that in there, because it's better to have it than to be lacking and to not have it. Trust and believe, baby. The next way to use this pouch is as an airport pouch. So you can keep your passport in here. You can keep your IDs in here. You can keep multiple passports if you're carrying it for a family, or you and your significant other, or your parents, or whoever that's traveling with you. Can keep them all in one spot. That'd be great. I do not have my passport on me now, but I do have my boarding passes that I used recently when I flew Delta. So you can definitely slide that in here. That can go in there easily. I have a vaccination card. You might not really need this anymore, but it's, you know, document wise. A mask. If you're not wearing a mask anywhere else, I would say definitely wear it at the airport, because people are still catching COVID from being in the airport. So just so you know, wear your mask at the airport if you're not gonna wear it anywhere else. I know a lot of places aren't mandating it anymore. We have pens. You never know, you might need a pen, write something down. An extra mask. And hand sanitizer. Next way I would suggest using this pouch is as a tech bag. So say you're someone who is a vlogger, is a YouTuber, is a photographer, anyone who's dealing with tech all the time. You might have little devices that need to be kept together, and you might not have an actual bag to put those things in or a pouch to put those things in, like miscellaneous random pieces of things or extras. If you have extras of things, it's always important to have more than one of certain things, that way in case you lose one, or you know you need more space on other things like memory cards, that'll be perfect to keep in here as well. So the first thing I would say tech wise to keep in your pouch is a block, an extra block. These go missing. These always are going to go missing. Everyone and their mama has iPhones these days, so it's always good to have an extra block on you. Now I'm gonna do the blocks go missing, honey. The cords go missing. So I have a cord here, and then another block to go in there just in case. And then I have my Apple charger. So my Apple charger, of course, looks like that. And then I have a light. It's kind of random. It might be random for y'all, but a necessity for me in case I forget to pack it somewhere, or if I forget that I need one. And then I have a external hard drive. Stick that in there. See, at the moment it's getting a bit bulky, so the one thing I really wouldn't need is the lights. Let's take the light out. So we just have the we have the external hard drive and a couple of chargers and blocks. And then if you ever need one of these, I forgot what they're called, but these are important to have, especially with Apple devices and Android devices and whatnot. And that easily goes in there. And then you can just close it up. Whatever you need tech-wise can fit in here. So yeah, good to go. And the final way I would recommend, that is most common that I see people use this as, is an actual wristlet slash catch-all. So a wristlet slash catch-all slash purse slash clutch. So you're actually wearing this when you're out and about, running errands, going on date night, hanging out with friends and family, whatever you're doing, it can fit everything that you need, your essentials. The essentials for me would be, of course, a mask. Throw your mask in there. Keys. Lip gloss. Wallet. AirPods. And my sunglasses would probably be on my head. Won't need to put it in there, but it would fit. I would take a cord to charge my phone just in case. That to me is a necessity. And of course my vaccination card, because some places still require you. I don't know where I put it. Stick the vaccination card inside the pocket. And I would put in a tampon just in case, because you never know. And a thin pad as well. So those to me would be my essentials, as you can see. And then we're gonna zip it up. And there you are. You carry this as a wristlet, just like that. And there you go. So that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in my next one. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.